Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, where creativity comes to you. With monthly craft kits delivered to your door, behold our clay lantern craft box. Welcome craft enthusiasts to an enchanting journey of creativity and illumination. Today, we're diving into the magical world of clay lantern crafting with our one-of-a-kind DIY clay lantern crafting kit. In this craft box, you'll find all the materials and tools you need to bring your vision to life. Inside your kit, you'll find your Lighthouse template, some toothpicks, one battery-powered Tealight candle, one wooden rolling pin, one pack of air-dry modeling clay, a paintbrush and a set of acrylic paints. You'll also find your step-by-step photo instructions and a little something for your pinboard. Use a pair of scissors to carefully cut out each of the 4 templates from the printed sheet. Cut 2 strips of cardboard from the Craftiosity box that your kit arrived in. Open the air-dry clay and roll out a portion. You can roll it out onto a piece of paper or card. Place 1 strip of cardboard under each end of the rolling pin when rolling. This will help ensure that the clay is rolled evenly and to the correct thickness. Place the square template and the boat template face up onto the rolled out clay. Draw around each template with one of the toothpicks. Remove the template and then cut out the shape using the toothpick. Smooth out any rough edges or uneven patches on your clay pieces. Dip your finger into a small bowl of water and run over the area to help give an even and smooth finish. Roll out another portion of clay and cut out the remaining lighthouse and wave templates. Make sure you cut out 2 of the wave pieces for the sides of your lantern. Make sure you have a small amount of clay left for joining the pieces once dry. Smooth out the pieces with water as before. Using a toothpick, carefully cut out and remove the windows of your lighthouse piece. Smooth out the inner edges of the windows using the end of your paintbrush dipped in water. At this stage, you can also add extra details with clay to give your piece raised areas. Add the clay on top and smooth, being careful not to distort the shape underneath. Leave your clay pieces to dry fully. This can take from 12 to 36 hours, depending on the room temperature. Make sure they are fully dry before moving on to the next stage. Paint the clay pieces in your desired colors. The paints can be mixed to create your own custom shades. You can paint 1 coat or add a second coat. Make sure to paint both sides of the wave pieces. Leave to dry for 4 to 5 hours. Use some of your remaining clay to assemble the pieces of the lantern. Place the square piece flat to form the base. Stand the lighthouse and boat pieces on opposite sides of the base, facing in the same direction. Roll thin strips of clay and place along the join with the base. Smooth and blend the clay into both pieces. Using the end of the paintbrush dipped in water, blend the edges fully so your pieces are securely joined. You can also add extra clay underneath the base, along the join. Prop up your sides with household items to ensure they don't fall over. Allow the first 2 sides to dry before attaching the 2 wave sides in the same way. Leave to dry fully for at least 24 hours. Then pop in your battery-operated Tealight candle. Your ceramic lighthouse Tealight holder is complete. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we look forward to welcoming you to the next craft kit project next month.